Hello, I'm Rick Stivers. I'd like to welcome you back to Young Martin's Reels. Today, I got a package in the mail, and I was absolutely surprised because I was not expecting this. Some of you may remember the Sears reel that was the fail project that I sent off about a month and a half ago. And I sent it off to Ken Foote in Georgia. It was a failed reel that I did. Everything on the reel was functional except for the drag clicker, but it reel looked bad. And so I sent it off to Ken Foote, and I got it back today. But before I show it to you, I want you to see what the reel looked like before. Hello, I'm Rick Stivers. I'd like to welcome you to Young Martin's Reels. Today's project is going to be another fail video. Now, I say fail, I'm still going to service this, and it's going to become a functional reel, but it's going to have a problem, and it's going to go off to Ken in Georgia also. So this is another. Okay, and somebody engraved a number over here on it, and this reel is mostly functional. And this reel would have been a full repair, ready to go. I was going to send it to Ken anyway to get it repainted, and then let him repaint it and do his little reel magic with it. But then I was sitting here watching TV, and I was at the end of fixing a bunch of reels, and I was tired, and I got sloppy. And when I got sloppy, I broke something. And if you look up here, you'll see these parts laying up here, along with, there's a broken screw. And what happened is that I got careless.
Hey, baby.
All right. Anyway, what happened was the drag clicker on this was completely gummed up full of grease, and rather than just, it wouldn't move, it couldn't budge it. And so I tried to unscrew the screw out of it. And rather than just take it and put it in my parts cleaner and let it do its work, its magic, where it would have broke all the tightened up grease out of it, instead I tried to take the screw out, and I forced it and I broke it off. And then the drag knob goes on. And there's our drag. But we have no drag clicker because I broke the screw off. Okay, let's see if we got anti-reverse. Anti-reverse. Okay. And there you have the Sears Roebuck 779.414221 spinning reel. Nice reel. I like it. Unfortunately, I was impatient and I broke it. And we're going to send it on to Ken and let Ken do the finish up work on it and clean it up. And now that you've seen what it looked like, now I'd like to show you what it looks like today. Believe it or not, this is that same reel. Ken took it, redid it all. This thing is absolutely flawless. It's beautiful. What do you think of that? The drag clicker that was broken that I failed on, you can hear it's working fine. He fixed that. The anti-reverse is working. Anti-reverse override works. This reel is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I know that I'm in for a little bit of a, and look at this. This has been chromed. How do you like that? Isn't that beautiful? And remember, when I sent this off, it actually had engraving on this. So, yeah, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. He did a marvelous job with it. And so I did ask his permission to actually use his name and everything on this video. And he agreed that we could do so. And he's contemplating going into business for himself, doing reel refurbs like this. So if anybody out there has a specific reel that they need redone or anything, maybe I can put them in contact with it. But this thing is absolutely gorgeous, and I thank you, Ken. Now, I know somebody is going to give me a rash of crap and that would be Chris Jenkins, because I've been dogging Chris Jenkins ever since I met him about this beautiful chrome or nickel plated Mitchell reel that he has and that he never fishes with. And so I know that if I take this reel and set it up on the shelf and don't fish with it, he's going to give me a whole rash of crap about it. Now, it really would be a shame if I was to take this reel out and mess it up. But I don't plan to do that. But I do intend to fish with it at least once. I'm going to try to build up a really nice rod, probably a 7 or 8 footer that looks really good with this reel. And I want to take this reel fishing. It's beautiful. It seems to perform beautifully. I want to take this reel fishing just so Chris can't give me any crap. Chris, you need to fish that chrome reel. All right, so there it is, folks. I hope you like what Ken Foote has done with this. I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly, but he's out of Georgia. Absolutely beautiful job, Ken. I am absolutely gobstopped over it. It's just an amazing reel, just a beautiful job, and I thank you very much. And for now, that's Rick Stivers, the Young Martin's Reels, signing out.